correlation of Forex pairs with DXY, and how to draw support and resistance and trend line correctly. So that be what we will cover today. Before we speed up to our chart, right? We know uptrend, right? We know uptrend, right? We know downtrend, right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where we know consolidation, right?
Yep.
Consolidation, right? So we know this. So the first thing we go ask one ourselves be what be the meaning of correlation? Correlation, the relationship wey dey between them. That be the correlation. I don't want make you take am serious. Every trade you go take, you go correlate pairs, you go draw support and resistance. No be every trade you go take wey you go draw trend line. No be every trade you go take you go draw support and resistance. Sake of we get other strategy. Support and resistance just be strategy. So first thing we go talk about be DXY. DXY, make I wrap am here. DXY, DXY equal to dollar what? Index. If you say DXY, what e dey mean be dollar index. You dey see am?
Yeah.
DXY means dollar index, right? And what is dollar index? You see how we dey see GBP USD. GBP USD e be what? E be Forex pair, pairing two currencies, right? GBP JPY, Forex pair, pairing two currencies. But DXY, e just be the index of dollar. You ba, I know they wan go chart, but anything you dey see for here wey dey happen for dollar top, e be what? You go see am for DXY. If you dey wan see how the dollar dey do, whether the dollar is performing or not performing, the dollar index, right? So DXY just dey show anything wey dey happen for dollar top. You go see am for the XY top, right? Every currency get im index. But the reason why today in lesson be correlation of Forex pairs with DXY be say dollar be what? The strongest currency, or I dey lie?
Yeah.
Dollar be the strongest currency. Almost all the currency pairs you go trade go get dollar in them. You get it? All the currency pairs I dey trade get dollar in them, except GBP JPY. You get am? So dollar index, that be DXY. E just dey show how the dollar dey perform. Yes. So dollar index be what the performance of dollar. You go fit check am for dollar strength index or dollar index DXY. So index, right? The whole of today, dollar do what? Dollar fall index, right? Overall, what dollar do?
Downtrend.
Overall trend be what?
No
Downtrend.
trend.
Overall trend be what? Downtrend. Thank you. Overall trend be downtrend, right? Current trend be what?
Uptrend.
Current
Scroll
trend be
down,
what?
down trend.
Downtrend. So we use DXY to DXY shows that what's currently happening on dollar, whether dollar is rising or falling. You get it? You get it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So now let's talk about. You see me using these terms a lot. This term. You understand? You see me using this term a lot. XXX USD and USD XXX. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
So what does it mean? XXX USD simply means Forex pairs which has USD as the quote currency. You understand?
Mm,
Let me explain again. XXX USD can be any pair that has USD in it, but USD is the what?
the quote currency.
Quote, and that pair is the what? Base
Base,
currency.
base.
That's XXX USD. So can you mention me any XXX USD pairs?
J JPPS.
GBP USD, thank you. And NZD USD,
JPY.
CHS USD, Naira against US dollar, plenty pairs.
Okay, okay.
AUD USD. So now you debab the XXX USD, right? I just use XXX because it will be any pair. You get them? So now make we take this second one. USD XXX. Any pair we get USD first, followed by any pair we get USD first, or USD be the what? Base currency, followed by another currency. So you go fit mention USD JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF. You understand?
Mm,
So now you debab the two now, right? XXX USD and USD XXX. We dey get am. I dey beg make we pay attention. I already explain say any trade you go take, as far as we dey use price action, any trade you go take, you go correlate pairs before. You go correlate the pair with DXY before you go take the trade. Unless that pair no get USD enough, unless you dey trade pair like JPY, GBP, JPY, and other things. You understand? So now, make we do something now. This part is very confusing. I dey beg wa see something here. Jasper,
Yeah.
we trend this
Uptrend.
uptrend. We are always dey talk say this just be what textbook definition of uptrend, right?
Yeah.
This be uptrend. So let's just use this as what? Let's just say this is what? DXY. DXY. Matrimonial with DXY. Jasper, you dey see
Yeah.
DXY. So DXY do what? DXY dey what? Uptrend, right?
Yes.
DXY dey uptrend. Now make I put this one first so say no go confuse you. Make I put USD XXX first. So now make I shift this one here. Now we are doing USD XXX first. I beg you go fit rep am o. You go fit rep am. After that, we go chart, then check if what I talk be true or I dey lie. You understand? So USD XXX, Jasper, mention any USD XXX pair.
USD JPY.
USD JPY. Thank you, Jasper.
USD card.
So mention another one.
USD card.
USD card. USD card. Card. Last one.
USD
NZD
JPY.
Canadian dollar.
or
That be
NZD.
USD card.
USD
NZD.
ZHR.
USD now. We say correlation mean what? Before I go talk that, my child go make plenty. My screen